Unpacking a kit version of the new Flathead Brother PTG2R. This is the included assembly instruction. During the assembly process, you can refer to this manual to assemble. The kit version is suitable for model friends with strong hands-on ability, like to assemble a RC remote control model car by yourself. Optional version. There is also a promotional color page advertisement. This is the dust cover of the new Flathead Brother. There are various parts packs. Parts kits are numbered with letters. Easy to find after assembly. This is the parts package for the swing arm part. This is a package of parts like the front bumper and gearbox shell. There are also ball joints and some bearings. This is the flathead fender. There are some parts packages such as R-buckle body column nuts and so on. This is Flathead's differential parts kit. This is some parts of the steering part. This is some parts of the second floor, drive shaft and battery magic belt. This is the metal chassis of the Flathead Brother. This is the side panel of the chassis. Here are the 4 rally-style tires that come standard. This package is the vehicle damping system parts package. This is the R-buckle and some screws and nuts. Is there a lot of parts in the loose kit version of the car?